Thank you, Mr. Chairman. I have a question from Ms. Barrett. Your testimony indicates that this is the position of the New York City Bar Association.
That's correct. This is the position of the Bar Association.
How many members are in the New York City Bar? So, like, how many members? How many lawyers are a member of the Bar Association?
I'm sorry, I don't know the number of members that are in the Bar Association, but I can find out and let you know.
Estimated, is it 1,000, 10,000, 50,000? Close to guess, but what am I going to hold you to?
My guess is it could be about 10,000, but I don't know the number.
All right, so let's just say but it's certainly in the thousands. Okay, now, what is the process by which the Bar Association came to this finding, and how many members, how many people who are a member of the New York City Bar Association actually know of this policy position on behalf of the Bar Association?
I can't answer how many individual member lawyers know, because I don't know how many members have read the comment. All of our comments are approved first by committee, and then they're forwarded to the Bar Association's General Counsel, and then they're approved by the President of the Association.
Okay, so the in terms of the Bar's probing of this matter, did it send medical professionals to make some kind of assessments? Pretty prestigious outfit, but what kind of analysis? What did the Bar Association do to come up with this finding?
Well,
what was the process?
I'll explain the process on our comment on 653A, because I drafted that comment. In that comment, I analyzed proposed legislation. In my day job,
I'm interested in more in 658. Did you have anything to do with 658?
I prepared the written testimony that I provided today for 658A. One of the things that I did was reviewed all of the newspaper reports of accidents of carriage horses in the past several years. The Bar Association, as we say in our testimony, is very concerned about the number of accidents and the potential threat to the public.
How many members of the Bar Association actually prepared these materials? Like, how many people actually got involved and did work and did research? How many people would that be?
I'm not sure how many people did the research on the comment on 653A. However, it is posted on the Bar Association's website. It has been approved by the council, and it's been approved by the president as well.
I didn't ask. What I'm asking is, how many people that have an association with the Bar Association, remember this committee, whatever, is it that you've got this committee that deals with legal issues relating to animals, and how many members are on that committee?
I don't know how many members are on the committee. It's probably between 25 and 50.
Okay, now of those 20 to 50 members of that committee, how many members of that committee actually got involved in the issue? Got involved in that they really participated in this finding, or did they just see someone else's work? How many people did the work on this?
I didn't write the comment on 653A. It was written before I was a member. However, I can tell you that when I'd written the written testimony, it was circulated to the entire committee.
Circulated to the committee. Now, would the individual committee members do work, or it would be someone who's on the committee who would look into this matter, right? It wouldn't be delegated to someone else. It would be a member of the committee who wants to serve on the committee that wants to probe this matter, right?
I'm not sure if I understand your question.
I'm saying that you've got 20 to 50 members of the committee, so it would be a member of that actual committee that actually did this work and put this together. It wouldn't be delegated to like staff or something.
No, that's correct. It's written by a member of the committee.
Written by a member of the
and then it's reviewed by our general counsel.
Right, but now would it be fair to say that it would be possible that it was one member of this committee that had a real interest in this matter that put together a lot of work, and then that member's work was ratified by the whole committee? Would that be an unlikely scenario, or would that be more like how it would work?
I think that you're probably right, but this
Thank you. Thank you. And so...
no, excuse me, I haven't been able to answer the question fully. I'm not exactly sure how 653 was routed, because it was routed before I became a member of the committee.
Right.
I can testify, though, to what our normal procedure is. And the normal procedure is that one or two members of the committee prepare a comment on a piece of animal-related legislation. It's then circulated to all of the members of the committee, and all of the committee members have an opportunity to contribute their comments to our official statement. At that time, and that includes the president of the association also has an opportunity, after it's been looked at by the general counsel, to weigh in on the comment.
Thank you. So what we're really looking at is possibly the work of one or two people of this several thousand member organization, and I appreciate you coming here today to give us the opinion of these one or two people. Thank you.
I don't think that's a fair way to characterize the bar association.
Quiet, please.
We're going to move on to the line of questioning. Thank you. We're going to move on.
Is he done, Mr. Chairman? Can I have the floor?
To one question. We got about
No. He just went on for 10
I was trying to
ridiculous questions. Listen, council members can have various positions, and I know Councilman Gennaro authored 653A and took his name off for whatever reason, I don't know. But the fact is, the New York City Bar Association is one of the most reputable attorney organizations in this city. And if you want to question the process, that's fine. But what Councilman Gennaro did just went overboard. Let me tell you something. The position of this organization has been well known for over a year. I would think that if something came out from this organization, the 10,000 attorneys, one of them would have said, hey, this isn't right. We didn't approve this. I think the questioning of this witness was an absolute disgrace and an embarrassment to the New York City Bar Association.